Finova Feinschneidtechnik stands for a wide range of high-quality manufacturing technologies, including double-plane grinding. The process enables the production of workpieces within tight tolerances, where high-thickness accuracy and surface quality are required throughout the entire part geometry. The components are pre-sorted and placed in a stack magazine. A transport disc guides them between the two rotating grinding wheels. The fully automatic part loading and unloading enables the production of high quantities with high precision, reducing costs and shortening production times. The rotation transfers to the component, ensuring uniform processing and material removal. The material thickness is continuously monitored by a measuring system and corrected by the machine. After grinding, the workpieces are cleaned, dried, and preserved in a closed continuous cleaning system. Double-plane grinding enables efficient and precise manufacturing of both simple and complex workpieces. Contact us to learn more about Finova and double-plane grinding.